Hello everyone, this is Right Rain Stables here with another Minecraft Pocket Edition video. Now this is not my new house, just so you know. That's like part of the outhouse or whatever you want to call it. That is my house. So as you can see, it is much bigger than the other one. Over here is when it's not raining, the two horses, Kate and Danozo, can be free roam. So over here, and in the house, I haven't been to all the rooms because of how big it is. Oh, I did not notice this. So, as you can see, there are many tunnels. I'm not going to explore them all because I cannot get up. There we go. So I'm going to get in the house and give a tiny tour. I have stuff with me. Let's see here. The front entrance to the house is not a door for some reason. You have to walk through the little passage. So let me get up the stairs. There. It's in here. And why do I keep placing these? There. Okay. So here is some carpet and stuff. I have not gone in here yet. I'm gonna start placing lights wherever I go. And it's dark because this house was not furnished with lights. That's the thing. Is that a passage or no? No. Oh no. I must get out of this. Instead of a cauldron. There. So, what's down here? Just a ladder or something. Okay. Well, I'm going up here and just wow how dark this room is. There we go. Still hasn't stopped raining. Now for over here. Mostly empty. Then there's in here. Yeah, there's tons of places. Tons and tons of places. What is this? Well, they were doing something. Okay. What's in those doors? Nothing. Alright. I'm going upstairs. Lava. That's just another set of stairs to lead downstairs. Here's more stairs. There we go. And don't see any more set of stairs. So now I can go over here. Oh, that one has more stairs. I'm going to just place these. Oh, and more stairs. This really is a mansion. Whoa. What's up here? I haven't explored the whole house. I just looked at the outside and said, this is the place I'm moving into. Just... so many places to go. Yeah, I don't think I can go through all of the passages on this video. Yeah, way too many passages. So I'm just gonna go down here, and go back downstairs. I don't have any more torches, but it still hasn't stopped raining. Jeez. I have all this stuff. Do I have any torches? So that's the thing I didn't get. What does this do? Potion of jump boost? Now it stopped. You guys are free. See, it's Denozo. Kate. I don't know if Kate is spelled with a C or a K, so I just put K. Yeah, so that's all for this video today. And how do they wander so fast? I think Kate is a little slower than Denozo, but it'll do. And whenever I hurt the horse, I could just feed it a carrot or an apple, and then its health will get back. So, bye guys, like and subscribe for more.